AirVent's 4-inch SkyHood bath and dryer vent is built for performance, versatility, and easy installation. It has a functional design with a clean appearance. It is crafted from durable galvanized steel and is compliant with the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development standards. The SkyHood bath and dryer vent is available in 3 different configurations to satisfy a wide range of applications. A standalone 4-inch bath and dryer vent, a bath and dryer vent with a 4-inch pre-installed crimped stem for easy duct connection. This convenient pre-attachment of the stem to the base all but eliminates water intrusion. The stem is removable if the installer prefers to mount the vent on the roof and then easily install the stem from inside the attic. And the bath and dryer vent complete installation kit. The kit includes 8 feet of 4-inch flexible ducting, a 4-inch steel duct connector, 2 nylon ties, and a convenient 3-inch to 4-inch adapter for use with 3-inch round ducts. We told you it's versatile. Each SkyHood bath and dryer vent has a built-in backdraft damper and pest-resistant screen. The screen is removable for dryer vent use, and the damper will stay closed when installed in a vertical wall. The SkyHood bath and dryer vent with a pre-installed crimp stem is set at an angle for proper vertical wall installation and easy duct attachment. Pre-drilled holes and rounded corners allow for safe and fast installation. The punch sides of the vent stiffen the hood, and the die-stamped manufacturing enhances the vent's aesthetics. It is available in the color black and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. The SkyHood bath and dryer vent is part of our ventilation product offering under our AirVent brand that features a collection of ventilation products for residential applications. These AirVent products are manufactured in the USA and are part of the Gibraltar Building Accessories brand family.